Hello there, good people. Hi, it's Jason with Green Country Agroforestry. We are about 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks and a couple of days short of harvest time for our corn harvest, for fall corn harvest. And that's also about the time I need to start putting garlic in. I'm getting ready to finish putting the bed together there. I've put it off because I have so many squash vines out here. Whenever I dig out and go to fill in the spaces I dig out to get my soil to fill in the raised bed with wood chips, I'll need to bring them in with a wheelbarrow, and I don't want to run a wheelbarrow across all the squash vines. So once the squash vines are done doing their thing, I'll be free to come in with a wheelbarrow and fill everything in. Unfortunately, that's going to mean that I'm going to have a hole in the ground where I dig out the soil for our raised bed for a little bit, maybe a week or two, until the squash are completely and totally done and I can clear those out of the way. Today, we're going to be harvesting green onions. Feast your eyes on these beauties right here. Here we go. This is 20 feet of Allium proliferum. Allium proliferum, that's Egyptian walking onion. And they are back in abundance. After a severe drought last year, I was worried that I would have to spend a few years building our supply back up, but they've bounced back remarkably well. I have plenty of new ones started, but as you can see, we've reached that part of the year where this explosive late summer growth is leading to them falling over, and when they do, they're going to bend that top right there. This area won't get the fluids that it needs, and it will die off. So, since the plant wants to prune itself, I am only doing it a favor. Same as having green onions, cut them with green onions, but we're not going to be able to use all of these. That's okay, because we're going to do something special with them. Okay, so this is all the green onions that we just harvested. That's all of our green onions. Let's go hang them up someplace where they can dry so they'll be ready to add to soups and stews and stuff like that all throughout the winter. Let's go. All right, now here we are in an undisclosed location where we're going to hang these onion tops up so they can dry. If you'd like to see the structure that I'm actually working in being built, then you're going to want to watch a video entitled 5 Principles of Redneck Engineering. I've got a space here I can hang them from. Go ahead and hoist them up here. Make a simple knot. All I got to do is pull on that free end. It comes undone. My bundle comes down. Very, very simple. Alright, so this is our dried green onion, or dried chives. And we can crumble this up whenever they've dried enough. These 6 bundles, that's about 20 feet of bed space. That's what I get from one cutting. Those will dry up nice. It'll be really nice in a stew this winter. Well, good people, that is all I have for you today. I hope you found today's video informative or entertaining. If you did, well, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. But until then, get out there and get growing.